Our journey has made us who we are. Our roots are made in Italy, and our experience part of our DNA. Everything began in '64 with the Bonetti brothers, but Frabo was founded in '69. And for 50 years, we have continued to develop our products with passion and experience, always at the service of innovation. Latest generation Industry 4.0 equipment and interconnected plant allows us to achieve our technological and reliability objectives. Every single product is carefully studied and prototyped in order to be as one with maximum quality. Every day, we are committed to recognizing the value of our partners because the constant attention they dedicate to production makes us better. We use photovoltaic energy and recycle waste. For us, respecting the environment means self-respect. We consider training as fundamental in sharing knowledge and growing together. We want to be in the same world as our customers. Products at the highest level, from water to heating, from gas to industrial plant and beyond. A complete range that meets every need when it comes to joining techniques, materials and shapes. We ensure that our products are homologated and certified in every destination and that the Frabo quality system is always respected. Our next goal is the new construction of a vertical warehouse and logistics hub, because we look to the future by increasing our storage capacity to not only respond to constant growth, but also be closer to our customers. "50 years of history projected toward the future."